Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a one sample binomial test using SPSS, and specifically using the legacy dialog, and only in the case where the assumed proportion for the population is 0.5 or otherwise known as 50%. So for example, I'm going to be using gender, which I have up here. It was coded as 1 and 2 for male and female. So one was being here in this case female. Now we can go for analyze, then non-parametric tests, then go for legacy dialogs, and there is binomial. We then move the variable of interest to the right, so that was gender, move it to the right, and test proportion is 0.5. You can change this, but then you actually get a one-sided test only, and you won't get a two-sided test. That's something that SPSS is lacking, a two-sided test, in case the test proportion isn't 0.5. Under options you can mark off some things that you might be interested in, but for this video this should be about it. And here is my result, and as you can see, the two-sided exact significance of the binomial test is 0.002. That's below the 0.05. That's usually used as a threshold, so we would consider this significant. So these two percentages are significantly different from the test proportion 50%. So we have significantly less females than expected in this example. That was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe. That really helps the most. And thank you for watching.